Hello, welcome to the English Explorers YouTube channel. Today, this video will share 25 essential vocabularies such as desserts, hangout, apartment, siblings, adventure, cuisine, and more through Emma and Alex's conversation. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started.
Hi Emma, how are you today?
Hey Alex, I'm doing well, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too, thanks for asking. Did you have a good weekend?
Yeah, it was pretty nice. I went to the park with my family. What about you?
Oh, that sounds fun. I hung out with some friends and we played video games.
That sounds like a blast. What games did you play?
We played Minecraft mostly. Do you play video games?
Not really, but I do enjoy playing board games sometimes. Do you like board games?
Yeah, I like them too. Monopoly is one of my favorites. Have you played it before?
Yeah, I have. It's a classic. Do you have any pets, Alex?
No, I don't have any pets. But I've always wanted a dog. How about you?
I have a cat named Whiskers. She's really cute and fluffy.
Aw, that sounds adorable. I wish I could meet her sometime.
Yeah, you should come over sometime. We can play with Whiskers and maybe watch a movie.
That sounds like a plan. Do you have a favorite movie?
That's a tough one. I really like animated movies like Finding Nemo and Toy Story. What about you?
Those are great choices. I'm a fan of action movies, like Avengers and Fast and Furious.
Oh, cool. Those are exciting. Hey, have you ever been to the beach?
Yeah, I love going to the beach. The sound of the waves and the feeling of the sand between my toes is so relaxing.
I totally agree. It's one of my favorite places to go. Do you like swimming in the ocean?
Yeah, I do. It's refreshing, especially on a hot day. What about you?
I like swimming too, but I'm always a bit cautious in the ocean. I prefer swimming in pools.
That's understandable. Pools can be safer since they don't have waves and currents.
Exactly. So, do you have any plans for next weekend?
Not yet. Maybe we could hang out again if you're free.
That sounds like a great idea. Let's plan something fun.
Definitely. I'll text you later in the week and we can figure out the details.
Sounds good. Looking forward to it.
So, Emma, aside from going to the park, what else did you do over the weekend?
Well, besides the park, I also helped my mom with some gardening. We planted some flowers in our backyard.
That sounds lovely. I've always liked the idea of gardening, but I don't have much space for it in my apartment.
You don't need a lot of space to have plants. You could start with a small indoor garden or even just a few potted plants.
That's true. Maybe I'll give it a try sometime. By the way, have you ever traveled outside of the country?
Yes, I've been lucky enough to travel to a few different places. I've been to France, Italy, and Spain too.
Wow, those sound like amazing destinations. What was your favorite part about traveling?
I think my favorite part is experiencing different cultures and trying new foods, and each place has its own unique cuisine.
That sounds like a great adventure. I've only traveled within the country so far, but I hope to visit other countries someday.
I'm sure you will. There are so many beautiful places to see in the world. Hey, speaking of food, do you like cooking?
Yeah, I do. I'm not an expert chef or anything, but I enjoy experimenting in the kitchen. How about you?
I love cooking. It's like a creative outlet for me. I especially enjoy baking desserts like cookies and cakes.
Yum, that sounds delicious. I'm more of a savory person myself, but I never say no to a good dessert.
Haha, I can relate. Desserts are hard to resist. Hey, do you have any siblings, Alex?
Yeah, I have a younger sister named Sarah. She can be annoying sometimes, but I love her.
I have a younger brother too. His name is Lucas. Siblings can be a handful, but they're also a lot of fun.
Definitely. They always keep things interesting. So, what do you like to do in your free time, besides gardening and cooking?
I enjoy reading, painting, and going for walks in nature. How about you?
I like playing sports, watching movies, and listening to music. Oh, and I also enjoy hiking when I get the chance.
Hiking is great. It's a nice way to disconnect from the world and enjoy the beauty of nature.
Yeah, exactly. Hey, I just realized we have a lot in common.
Yeah, it seems like we do. It's always nice to find someone with similar interests.
Definitely. Well, I'm looking forward to our hangout next weekend. It should be fun getting to know each other better.
Agreed. It'll be a blast.
Alright, I'll let you know the details soon. Take care, Emma.
You too, Alex. See you soon.
1. Park means a public area of land with grass, trees and often playground equipment used for recreation. Example: families often visit the park on weekends to have picnics and play games. I like to take my dog for a walk in the park every morning. 2. Board games means games played on a flat surface, using counters or pieces that are moved around according to a set of rules. Example: Monopoly and Scrabble are popular board games that people enjoy playing with friends and family. We had a game night last weekend and played several board games until late into the night. 3. Cautious meanings careful to avoid potential problems or dangers. Example: Sarah is always cautious when crossing the street, looking both ways before stepping onto the road. The hiker was cautious when walking along the narrow mountain trail, making sure to watch his step. 4. Refreshing means pleasantly fresh or cooling. Example: a cold glass of lemonade on a hot summer day is so refreshing. After a long day of hiking, dipping your feet in a cool stream feels incredibly refreshing. 5. Currents means a flow of water or air in a certain direction. Example: swimmers should be aware of ocean currents and riptides before entering the water. Sailors use ocean currents to help navigate their ships more efficiently. 6. Text means to send a written message electronically, typically using a mobile phone. Example: I'll text you the address of the restaurant so you know where to meet us. She texted her friend to let her know she was running late for their appointment. 7. Gardening means the activity of tending and cultivating a garden, typically as a hobby. Example: my grandmother spends hours gardening in her backyard, planting flowers and vegetables. We're thinking of starting a community gardening project to beautify our neighborhood. 8. Indoor garden means a garden cultivated indoors, typically consisting of potted plants. Example: I have an indoor garden on my windowsill with herbs like basil and mint. She created a lush indoor garden in her apartment, filling it with tropical plants and ferns. 9. Cuisine means a style or method of cooking, especially as characteristic of a particular country, region, or establishment. Example: Italian cuisine is known for its pasta dishes, pizzas, and delicious desserts like tiramisu. I love exploring different cuisines from around the world, from Thai curries to Mexican tacos. 10. Adventure means an exciting or unusual experience. A daring undertaking. Example: Going on a safari in Africa would be the adventure of a lifetime. We embarked on an adventure through the jungle and discovered hidden waterfalls and ancient ruins along the way. 11. Savory means having a pleasant, spicy, or salty taste. Not sweet. Example: I prefer savory snacks like cheese and crackers over sweet ones like cookies. The savory aroma of roasting garlic filled the kitchen as she prepared dinner. 12. Annoying means causing irritation or annoyance. Example: The constant buzzing of the mosquito was annoying, keeping us awake all night. It's so annoying when people talk loudly on their phones in public places. 13. Siblings means brothers or sisters, children of the same parents. Example: My siblings and I used to fight a lot when we were younger, but now we're really close. She has 3 siblings, 2 older brothers, and a younger sister. 14. Handful means a person or thing that is difficult to manage or control. Example: Taking care of a newborn baby can be a handful, especially during the night. The energetic puppy proved to be quite a handful, always getting into mischief around the house. 15. Disconnect means to break or interrupt the connection of something. Example: I accidentally disconnected the internet while trying to fix the router. There seems to be a disconnect between what the boss wants and what the employees are doing. 16. Pets means domestic animals kept for companionship or pleasure. Example: Dogs and cats are popular pets because they provide love and companionship to their owners. Some people keep exotic pets like snakes or lizards, while others prefer more traditional pets like fish or birds. 17. Beach means a sandy or pebbly shore, especially by the ocean between high and low water marks. Example: We spent the entire day lounging on the beach, soaking up the sun and playing in the waves. The beach is the perfect place to build sandcastles and collect seashells with the family. 18. Pools means a small area of still water, typically one formed naturally. Example: We went swimming in the hotel pool to cool off after a long day of sightseeing. The children splashed and played in the pool, laughing and having a great time. 19. Backyard means the area of ground behind a house, typically enclosed by fences or walls. Example: We set up a barbecue in the backyard and invited our friends over for a cookout. I love relaxing in the hammock in my backyard, reading a book, and enjoying the sunshine. 20. Apartment means a suite of rooms forming one residence, typically in a building containing a number of these. Example: She lives in a small apartment in the city, close to her work and all the amenities. The apartment has a cozy living room, a spacious kitchen, and 2 bedrooms overlooking the city skyline. 21. Destinations means places to which someone or something is going or being sent. Example: Our travel agency offers a wide range of exotic destinations for your next vacation. The tourist guidebook lists all the must-see destinations in the city, from famous landmarks to hidden gems. 22. Chef means a professional cook, typically the chief cook in a restaurant or hotel. Example: The head chef at the restaurant is known for his innovative culinary creations. She dreams of becoming a pastry chef and opening her own bakery one day. 23. Desserts means sweet course typically eaten at the end of a meal. Example: we indulged in decadent desserts like chocolate lava cake and creme brulee at the fancy restaurant. She baked a variety of desserts for the party, including cookies, brownies, and fruit tarts. 24. Have a lot in common means sharing similar interests, experiences, or characteristics with someone. Example: they bonded quickly because they discovered they had a lot in common, from favorite movies to hobbies. Despite their different backgrounds, they found they had a lot in common, which strengthened their friendship. 25. Hang out means spend time relaxing or socializing in a particular place. Example: let's hang out at the restaurant this afternoon and catch up over coffee. We're planning to hang out at the park this weekend and have a picnic with friends.
Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope you have learned lots of vocabulary for daily English conversation. Keep practicing, and constant practice will help you improve your English skills quickly. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more valuable and fascinating English learning content videos.